guys, so to start I'm just going to pull my cord right through the cardboard cylinder. This one is really sturdy and it's pretty thick also. I got this at the end of the vinyl. Like, you know, when you use the vinyl up, it's like the cardboard that's left over. So yeah, this one is pretty sturdy. I would say you can use the one that's at the end of the paper towel roll, but it's not going to be as sturdy. So now we're going to glue the dowels to the cardboard. Make sure that the cardboard is always facing up. You want to make sure that it's flush to the table so that your dowels can stand up straight and every single dowel is going to be even. I know you guys are looking at my glue gun like, that glue gun is busted up. It really is, and I need to get a new one. It still works, so that's why I'm using it, but I know it looks really ugly on camera, so I'll probably get a new one soon. So before I add the last dowel, I'm actually going to cut it down to size so that the cord can have an exit. So after you cut your dowel, just sand it down so that it can be flat. If you wanted to paint this, you could. I love the raw wood look, so I kept it as is, but I think it would be cool to add some paint to it. Maybe a color block design. I think that'll be really nice. But yeah, I'm just gonna screw in my oversized bulb, and I did get this light bulb from Dollar Tree. If you see that some of the glue has oozed out, you can actually take a utility knife, as I'm doing here, and then you can just scrape it away.